So we're on the Ducati. We've done the Leo Vince mod, and we're just heading out of town to see what this thing is going to sound like out on the highway. At idle, it's about 2 to 3 dB quieter, and it sounds a little quieter in town. It's a little less obnoxious. We've reduced the snap that the racing exhaust has, so it seems to have taken that real snap out of it and deepened the note a little bit, so it's a little deeper, and so that's where we're at with that right now. Still has a little bit of a little less popping on idle when the throttle's closed, so a little less popping when the throttle's closed, but it still does do it. Looks like we got a little weather coming in. Fifth gear, 60 miles an hour, 60 rounds, just under 60 miles an hour. And quietens right down. It's definitely quieter on the highway at higher speeds, no doubt about it. This is, of course, our second go at this. I've been playing with the audio on the bike, trying to get the audio down to a reasonable level. So it was pretty garbled last time, so this time we're trying a slightly different setup, using the H1 with the lavalier mic. And we got 3 GoPros on the go for a little bit of different creative video. Definitely quieter on the highway. I'd say more than 5 dB quieter, probably 6 or 7.